In this rehabilitation center, there are scores of teenage boys.
This is a rehabilitation center facility for the children and teenagers who were picked up in different areas where ISIS was after military fights. So tell us about Khalid.
I mean, he's from Tajikistan. His father was killed, his mother was killed. He has nobody, he has no family. He's ended up here. He doesn't know how to get in touch with his family back in Tajikistan. What is he going to do? What are they going to do? I mean, no one knows. There's no solution for it.
This 15-year-old was an ISIS fighter. His first mission? To plant explosives at a U.S. base. He describes how they were given the bombs, weapons, and suicide vests. We covered everything with the women's black niqab, he says, so the jets in the sky would not target us. The operation failed and he ended up in prison. But even there, ISIS ruled, he says. But at the rehab center, things are different.